Good morning, students. I'm Shashwati ma'am here, and we are starting our language class. Today we will start chapter 2, that means articles. Articles are also called determiners. Now, what is article? An article is a word that is used with a noun to specify grammatical definiteness of the noun. That means it determines a noun. The main determiners or the articles are a, an, and the. These are the articles. A and an are indefinite articles. Indefinite means it shows only one, not the clear one, not the specific one, not the clear one, it is not the specific one. A is used before consonant sounds. Example, a teacher, a young man, a young student, a bat, a monkey. C, a university, a bus, a utensil. N is used before vowel sounds. Like example, we can say an woman, an umbrella, an orange, an angry voice, an honorable man. Now here is a difference. You can look that a university, the word university is starting with U, and a utensil also starting with U. But we are putting A over there because U is pronouncing like consonant. Here in university and in utensil, it is pronouncing, that means it sounds like a consonant. Same as when we are saying that an umbrella, the vowel sound is a. So that umbrella, U is sounding like a vowel. That's why we will put an before umbrella and a before university and utensil. Next is an honorable man. See, honorable, it is starting with HONOURABLE, or we can say an honest man, HONEST. So honest, honor, honorable, all these sounds are writing, we are starting with H, that means a consonant. But when we are pronouncing or the sound is coming at first, honor, awe, that means that is a vowel sound. Honest, awe. So for that sound, we have to follow the sounds. We will put A or N. Not only we will see that the consonant is there, so we will write A or N. No. This time you are growing up, you are in class 4, you have to learn more. So now you will follow the rules, that vowel pronunciation, vowel sound. Then we will put A or N. The is a definite article. The is used for the nouns that have already been introduced or are already known. The is used, we can say the particular name. When we are saying any particular name, then we can use the. Like the newspaper name. Whenever we will write any newspaper's name, we will start with the. The Telegraph, the Statesman. Famous buildings, museums, monuments and paintings. Before this also, we will write the. All these are definite one. The people of a country, that means the Indian, the French, the English, like that. With the name of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges. Whenever we will write the name of any particular river, mountain, ocean, seas, then we will put The before that. The Gangas, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Himalayas, the holy books. Before the holy books also we will write the Gita, the Mahabharata, the Ramayana, the Quran, the name of trains. Whenever we will mention any one train, trains also have some names. The Rajdhani, the Shatabdi Express, with the superlative degrees. The highest peak. Highest is a superlative degree. The most intelligent student. Whenever we will tell about a particular student among the whole classes, then we will put the before the superlative degree with phrases like the first, the last, the next, the only, with proper nouns also. But proper nouns, when we were telling about the particular one, because Sonali Sharma, there is many Sonali Sharma in India. But when we will talk about a particular person, only one Sonali Sharma we will indicate, then only we will put the. It is rarely used, but used. The noun name materials like the sugar, the sugar is used like this. There is a bowl of sugar, we can say, but when we are particularly saying that pass the sugar to me, then that time we will say pass the sugar to me. On the dining table we are sitting, we want some sugar, then only we will say that pass the sugar to me. We can't say everywhere the will be not used. When the particularly the sugar bowl or the sugar is showing or the particular material is showing, then only we will say the. Name of the qualities. With the qualities name we will use the honesty. Next is the with country's name. But the country's name must contain states and kingdom. Like the United States of America. See, states word is over there. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom we can say. When there will be kingdom, the word is present. But we cannot say the India. The China we cannot say. That is wrong. When the states and kingdom, these words will be there. The common nouns will be there. In the name of the country, then we will use the before that. People or objects that are unique. Like the sky, the sun. Only one is there. Sky, we cannot say that there are many skies. Only one sky is there. One sun is there. That's why that is a unique one. The sky, the sun. Musical instrument, before the musical instruments we can use the. So, we have learned about the article. Articles are also called determiners. A, an and the are the article. A and an is an indefinite article. It is used before, A is used before the consonant sound, an is used before the vowel sounds, and the when it is a definite thing, and that is discussed till now. Next we are coming to the worksheet. It is a small worksheet for you. Number 1. Choose the correct article A and the to complete the sentences below. We have to choose from this bracket and we will use. Question number A. Iron is dash useful metal. Useful. Please give me dash slice of bread with butter. Number C. What dash idea, the is not the answer, sorry. What dash idea you have in your mind? I have dash boiled egg for breakfast every morning. Here the have is used as a working doing verb. That means eating. Eat. My uncle gave dash interesting storybook on my birthday. Number 8, Jyoti left dash hour ago. Dash park in front of our house is huge. Number 8, I want dash new doll. Number I, dash one-eyed dog was barking. Number J, teacher has asked us to write dash essay on our daily life. I think it's clear to you. It's clear to you. These definitions you will not learn, you will just read to know. I have given you to read to know, but the worksheet is very important. Worksheet you will do, and hope you all are enjoying the way we are studying. This is a new way we have learned in this hard period. And be safe at home. Don't disturb your parents and don't go out. Stay at home, do studies and enjoy. Till the next class, goodbye.